Good job, guys. Everybody disperse and let them through. That's good for Orlando. Gotta get some gas in the Grom, and then I'm headed to check something out. Let you guys know as soon as I'm done here. Getting me some 93 dead dinosaurs. Select credit. 335. Is that about a gallon? Does anybody ever want the receipts? Crown Perk. So what's up, Blockheads? I'm headed up to Orlando Harley right now, and I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. I'm headed up to look at a motorcycle. Now, I'm not gonna show you guys what motorcycle, I'm not gonna tell you guys what motorcycle, but like I said, I will be honest to the point of telling you guys that I am going to check out a motorcycle, which is pretty cool. And I mean a motorcycle to purchase. Now you're saying, Blockhead, you've already got a lowrider S, and you've got a Grom, and you've got another Grom that you're building out and giving away. Why are you going to look at another bike? Well, it's because these things take time, and whenever you're looking to purchase another motorcycle, you should do your research, you know? I've bought my fair share of motorcycles, man. So as you guys know, or if you don't know, I'm giving away a 2017 Honda Grom in the beginning of September. So as we're recording this, next month, it's August. And that's gonna be part of like a Patreon giveaway, right? So if you're part of Patreon, you basically pledge to support the creation of content on this channel. You're automatically put in for me to select you to possibly receive a motorcycle if you're within the contiguous 48 United States. So you guys haven't seen too many videos of me building out the Honda Grom. I have ordered parts for it and stuff though, but yeah, I've got parts ordered for it. You know, it's like the mods don't take too crazy long for a Grom because it's a very easy bike to modify. And so I'm going to be doing a few videos on it, but you guys haven't seen any videos on that, like of the actual Blockhead bike build, because I haven't had time. It's just taken so long. Yeah, you guys haven't seen too many videos on it because I can't find the time to freaking modify the bike. Whenever I came up with a Blockhead bike build and started with the Grom, you know, I was like, oh yeah, you know, this shouldn't take me longer than, say, 2 months to modify out and give away. Well, the thing with that is, while it might not have taken me 2 months to like modify mine, I'm finding trouble finding the time to modify the giveaway bike, because especially like here in August, and I should have thought about this, but Harley Davidson releases like all of their new bikes, you know, in August. Like last year they released new bikes, and this year they've announced a few, and they're going to be releasing new bikes. And so release of the news for the new bikes that they're coming out with, from the Livewire to the Pan America and Street Fighter and you know, EV line and Custom 1250, and so, you know, did videos on those. So it's been hard to find time to actually get into the garage. And I'm sure you guys have noticed, but the videos have been coming out like every day of the week. Basically, if I don't put out a video a day, it loses its chronological importance. How do I say that? They are time sensitive. Like, I need to release them, you know, sooner than later, kind of thing. So I've been putting a real big emphasis on that, you know, getting out videos on time, because of, you know, more Harley stuff coming later this month. Unfortunately, the Grom thing the Grom giveaway has kind of got pushed back, but like I said, I do have modifications in and ready to install for it, and I will be getting those done here shortly. Video should hopefully be out soon. Yeah, I guess just to kind of talk about the original subject of me coming up to Orlando Harley Davidson to look at a motorcycle, we are already to that point where I'm planning for the next month even, you know, so beyond the Grom, because, you know, giving away that Grom is coming up in a couple weeks, man. I mean, it's already, what, beginning to mid of August, so we've got less than a month till we do the drawing for the giveaway Grom. That means we gotta have another bike ready and on deck, ready to go. So that's what I'm up here doing. So yeah, no secret, but the next giveaway bike is gonna be a Harley. Oh snap. All thanks to you guys, all thanks to you patrons out there.
What do you think, you own this place?
Yep.
Haven't you learned your lesson with those Nazis?
Come on.
Yeah!
I know it's been a while.
Alright. Excuse me, I'm trying to ride it right.
It's like on the phone. Gromming. What's up, man?
How much, man? How you doing?
Good, dude. So yeah, confirmed. Next month. Giving away a Harley. If you guys want to join, possibly be selected for that, check out Patreon. Jump in, join the Blockhead Patreon community. Basically get access to episodes like that I normally wouldn't put out on YouTube. Sometimes early access. Definitely a lot more interaction. So like Facebook, Instagram, like I'm just overwhelmed with messages. And so like if you message me on Patreon, I try to kind of give that priority, you know. People can publicly post on there. It's a lot of cool perks if you guys want to, like I said, be part of the Blockhead community. And yeah, support the channel, support the creation of content. But yeah, that's some cool news, I guess. Giving you guys like a little sneaky peeky. But yeah, man, I can't thank you guys enough for the support that you have shown. It has just been awesome, and the fact that we are now to the level of scouting out motorcycles, scouting out like not mini bikes, scouting out like actual real big motorcycles, and a Harley Davidson at that. That's pretty awesome, man. And the fact that, you know, you guys have given me that opportunity and the ability to, you know, give away a Harley. That's pretty awesome. But more details to come on that as it develops. I feel like I've already given you guys too much information. Y'all will probably be able to piece together some stuff into what bike it is that I'm going to be giving away. But I mean, hey, you know, just let it be a surprise, guys. Come on, come on. Much love to my family up at Orlando Harley Davidson. It's always a pleasure swinging by, seeing you guys. It's funny, ride up. Get a couple of them to ride a Grom, Dana and Aaron. But yeah, this is gonna be a super quick one. I gotta get back to work, unfortunately. Ooh, that's a cool blinker. A little strip. Turner or what? Jaguar? How do you guys say that? Jaguar? Or Jaguar? I think you're supposed to say it as Jaguar, aren't you? You know, those fancy people, they're like, my Jaguar. Oh, gonna roll up on a real biker. Just, yeah, man. I need more days in the week. I need more hours in the day. Honestly, somebody was saying the other day that I need to quit my day job and just do this YouTube thing full time. We're not there yet. I mean, there is a tipping point, but yeah, we're not there yet. Shut up, Harley. Yeah, man. The YouTube thing is doing awesome. Patreon is doing awesome. You know, pretty much the whole Blockhead thing is doing awesome, and that's because of you guys. And, you know, I can't say thank you enough for continuing to show support. The channel is just growing at a crazy speed. For the last 2 months, from like 60 to 70,000 was like 30 days. From like 70 to 80,000 was 24 days. And then I posted up, you know, like thanking you guys for, oh cool, that's a nice bike. Bike's out today. yeah, like I posted up it's 80,000 saying thank you guys, and by the time I posted up like the very next day, it was like 83,000. So by the time you guys see this video, who knows, man, maybe it'll be like 90,000. But we're definitely working our way up there, man, and I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate it, because it opens up a lot of doors. It gives me a lot of opportunities. You know, you guys being part of Patreon, you know, hitting that subscribe button and going beyond that subscribe button with Patreon really opens up even more opportunities. Like I said, the ability to like give back to the community, to give away a motorcycle, to give away like quality, really good helmets, you know, like a showy helmet, to have some of the partnerships that I do, it's all because of you guys. So maybe I should make this like a 80,000 thank you video. Just want to let you guys know I appreciate it, so appreciate you. She on a reel back. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button as well. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.